Hello, hi everyone. So these are the radishes which we have harvested from our organic terrace garden. So it's very easy to grow a radish. When you are beginning a terrace garden, radish would be the best one to start growing. So it's easy that you can harvest the radishes within 45 days. So you'll be very motivated when you start it. So growing radishes would be easy. The potting mixture would be the same. For more information on potting mixture and how to start, I have also given the links on the description section. Just have a look on the potting mixture and what kind of soil you can use and all that. So basically you can use the red soil, Cocopeat and the home compost. And if you get a vermicompost, you can use that too. The vermicompost should be an organic from a very good shop or from a very good nursery. So when you grow radishes, you can even use the leaf green part of the radish and even the vegetable. The greens can also be used for making sauce, tubayal out of it, and any kind of sabji, and same with radishes too. So you need to remove the twigs, veins part of the radish leaves, and so then you can use only the leaf part of the radish. So depending on how porous your soil and the potting mixture is, the radish would be good, healthy and strong. So these are the loft tanks in our terrace garden which we have bought from Syntex. So these loft tanks are available from Syntex as well as Kaveri. So you can start growing terrace garden by sowing the radish as the first beginning step, and maybe you can start lady's finger and methis to motivate yourself. When you grow radishes, the pest infection would be very less, that you can grow anywhere, and Bangalore is very suitable for all kind of vegetables. And we have also harvested few pink radishes. So thank you for watching, and start growing your own vegetables in the terrace garden or balcony.